Meghna Parikh, and today we are here to start the lecture series of the Mathematics 1. We are start multiple integral lecture 2. Our topic is our evaluation of the limit of the double integral in Cartesian coordinates. First of all, double integral over rectangular and general region R. There are two different methods to evaluate a double integral. Method 1 is let the region R bounded by the curve y1x and y equal to y2x, and if taking a line x equal to a equal to b. So this is our funda for the if we are taking x equal to a to b and limit of the y equal to y1x to y2x. Similarly, it is a to b limit, then we are taking a function is a formation of x and we say that it is a y1x and y2x. See, in this case, this is our function y1x and y2x. So it is a vertical strip. So y is varies from the y1x to y2x from the lower to upper. X is fixed. Therefore, the double integral is integrate first respect to y between the limit y1 to y2 and treating x as a constant. Now move the strip horizontally, x equal to a and x equal to b. It is left to right. It is cover the entire region. See, it is your left to right formation, x equal to a to x equal to b. Now, therefore, the result of the first integral is integrate with respect to with respect to x between the limits a and b. Hence, we say that we are taking a equal to b because it is a constant limit, and taking y equal to y1x and y2x f of xy dy dx. Okay. So, method 2 is R is a bounded x equal to x1 y to x2 y. Y equal to c to d. Here we fix the limit of the y. It is c to d is fixed and x is varies from to x1 to y to x to y. So x varies from x1 y to x to y, left to right, and y is fixed. We getting the integration form as move the strip vertically from to c to d. The lower and upper to cover the entire region. Now double integral for the result of the first integral is integrate with respect to y between the limit c and d. Hence, we say that we fix the limit of the y c to d and we change the function x1 y2 x2 y. Working rule of the evaluate double integral over the general region. First, identify the curve which is given in example. Draw all the curves and identify the region of the integration. Region is bounded by more than one curve. The mark their point of intersection and find the point of intersection for the all curves. Draw a vertical and horizontal strip in the region, whichever makes the integration easier. For vertical strip, A to B, it is your vertical strip where x is fixed and y is varied. The vertical strip of lower part of the region and terminate the higher part of the region. In vertical strip, lower limit of y is obtained from the curve where the vertical strip start and upper limit. See, this is your lower point where your limit will be start. Obtained from the curve where the vertical strip is terminate. Lower limit of x is obtained from the leftmost point of the region. It's your lower limit and it's your upper limit for the x. And upper limit of the x is obtained from the rightmost point of the region. Working rule for the evaluation double integral over the general region for horizontal strip is c and d. Okay, it is your y limit. So horizontal strip start from the left part to region and terminate on the right part of the region. In horizontal strip, lower limit of x is obtained from the curve when the horizontal, this is your curve. What is your curve? It is your linear curve and it is your different type of curve. If it is parabola, then we are using the equation of the parabola. If it is your circle, then we are using here the circle equation. X is obtained from the curve where the horizontal stream is terminate. The lower limit of y is obtained from the lowest part of the region and the upper limit of y is obtained from the highest point of the region. If variation along the strip stop changes within the region, then the region divided into two parts. Some standard curve like remarks, if equation curve contain constant term, then curve does not passing through the origin. If equation of curve contain only even power of x, then curve is symmetrically about the y-axis. If equation of curve contain only power of y, then curve is symmetrically about the x-axis. If equation of curve contain even power of x and y both, then curve is symmetrically about both axes. Now, we are taking one example. Integration of xy x plus y dA over the area between x equal to y square and y equal to x. What is x equal to y square? Okay, what is x equal to y square? It is your curve x equal to y square, y equal to x. It is your linear curve. Okay, now intersection point. What is your intersection point? If we are taking x equal to y, so we getting y equal to y square. So y square minus y, we get y equal to 0 and 1. So what first point is your 0 and 0, and second point is your 1, 1. Okay, so our point is 0, 0 and 1, 1. Now limits are x equal to y square to x equal to y, 0 to 1, x equal to y square to x equal to y, y equal to 0 to 1, we getting 0 to 1 is fixed. So dy limit is fixed. For the y, it is fixed. Okay, and x is y square to y. Okay, so we say that it is your strip x equal to y square. This is your y square curve and this is your y, and we have fixed the limit of y. It is 0 to 1. So we say that it is 0 to 1 y square to y, and integrate this thing. First we are integrate with respect to x. So we get x square y plus xy square, and integrate this, we get x cube by 3y, x square by 2 y square. Put the limit of y and y square. We get 5y raised to 4 by 6 minus y raised to 7 by 3 minus y raised to 6 by 2 and dy, and putting the limit of 1 and 0, we get 3 by 56. Now next example is x square dA, where R is a region in the first quadrant bounded by the hyperbola xy equal to 16 and line equal to y equal to 6, y equal to 0 and x equal to 8. Now we have 4 type of the formations. See, first is we say that it is y equal to x. Okay, so it is your y equal to x. Now one question is that xy equal to 16. It is xy equal to 16. One is y equal to 0. So it is your y equal to 0. What is x equal to 8? It is x equal to 8. Okay. Now, intersection point of, we are taking first xy equal to 16 and y equal to x. So we getting x square equal to 16. So x equal to 4. Plus or minus 4. So we say that y equal to plus or minus 4. So points are 4, 4 for the intersection. Now intersection xy equal to 18 and x equal to 8. So x equal to 8 and xy equal to 16. We get 8y equal to 16. Here it is not 18, it is your 16 formation. Okay. So y equal to 2. We getting new point 8, 2. In that case, region R1. What is your region R1? There is a 2 type of the region. Actually, we have to consider that type of the region where 4 lines are connected. 4 lines are connected. That means it is a 1, it is 2, it is 3, and it is your 4. So it's your region. But there is a 2 type of region. One is R1 it is, and R2. So for the region R1, y equal to 0 to x. It is 0 to x. Okay, because a line is considered here, and x equal to 0 to 4. It is your 4. So we say that in that case x is fixed 0 to 4 and y is changed from here y equal to 0 and this curve is say that y equal to x. So first region is there R1, we get x square dA and limit is 0 to 4 0 to x square dy dx. Integrate this x square y 0 to x dx, getting the value 64. So answer of this region is 64. Now for the second region, this is your R2 region. Okay, now what is y equal to 0? It is start from here. If we want to fix the value of y equal to 0, what is the upper limit? Is a 16 by x. Because if xy equal to 16, so y equal to 16 by x. Now what is the limit of x? X is a limit start from 4 and it is your 8. So value of x is 4 to 8. Taking the limit as x equal to 4 to 8, y equal to 0 to 16 by x square dy dx. Now integrate this, we get x cube by 3, y as it is getting 16x dx. Put the limit of 16x and 8x square, 8 and 4 upper limit, we getting the answer of R2 region is 384. So these are our two part of the region method. I1 and I2 total is, it is 64 and it is 384. So over region is, answer is 448. Some example here is evaluate from do yourself, and we are listing some different type of the example. Please do your practice, and if any query then contact me in lecture durations.